Video I show you how to fix Samsung mobile data not working, mobile data on but internet not working on Samsung Galaxy phone. You can see that my data is on but no internet connection. For solving this, go to settings, then go to connection, then go to mobile networks, then go to access point names. Now click on plus icon, tap on name, set here internet, then tap on OK. Now tap on APN. Now type here internet, then tap on OK. Now tap on three dot. Now tap on save. Now you can see that 4G plus icon. Now I hope that this method fix Samsung mobile data not working or mobile data on but internet not working on Samsung Galaxy phone.